Hi, hello बच्चों. Welcome back to my channel Maths लगे रहो. In today's class we are learning three-dimensional geometry MCQ theory questions, dear students. Let us see the first question what they had asked. The direction cosines of x-axis is what? In these four options, which is the correct? As you know, dear students, so direction cosines on x-axis means, so line is on x-axis, dear students. This is x-axis, y-axis and z-axis. So line is coming on what here? Direction cosines on the x-axis means line is on x-axis. How much angle it is making in x-axis? That is making angle 0 degree, dear students. Suppose you think this is only the figure it looks like outside. This is z-axis, dear students. I can't show here outside direction. So that's why I have drawn here. So now see here. This is x-axis and this is y-axis, z-axis. So line is on what? X-axis, dear students. This marker you think this is only line. Line is on what? X-axis means. So direction, I mean angle, how much it is making with here on x-axis, how much angle it will make? It is making 0, dear students. If it is making 0 for this, for others you see, for this it is making 90 degree, dear students. If it is like this, no, line is that is for z-axis it is making 90 degree. And y-axis here, this is thumb. So it is making what? 90 degree for this. So that means x-axis it is making how much degree? 0. And y-axis it is 90 degree and z-axis is 90 degree, dear students. Then alpha, beta, gamma I got. So direction cosines I have to find. Alpha is what? 0. Cos 0 is how much? That is 1, dear students. Cos 90 is 0. Cos 90 is 0. That means direction cosines of x-axis is 1. I am saying like this. Cos 0 degree, cos 90 degree, cos 90, dear students. Direction cosines. These are directional angles I got. So how much you will get? Cos 0 degree is 1, cos 90 is 0, cos 90 is 0. That means 1, 0, 0 is our answer, dear students. That is matching with C, dear students. C for cake is our answer, dear students. Please copy this. We'll see the next question. I hope all of you have copied. Now let us see the second question. Something similar question, dear students. The direction cosines of y-axis. Easily you can find now. See here. Again you have to draw here x-axis, y-axis, z-axis. But this line is what? Lying on y-axis. That means how much angle it will make? See, line is on y-axis means it is making 0 on y-axis. Z how much? 90. I mean x is also 90, z is also 90, dear students. Then directly you can say this is what? X is 90, y is 0 degree and z is 90 degree, dear students. Line is making on what? Lying on a y-axis means it is making angle with y-axis 0. For others x and z is 90, 90, dear students. So cos 90 is how much? 0. Cos 90 is how much? That is 0. Cos 90. Where, dear students? Cos 90. Cos 0. Cos 90, dear students. So then this will become 0. Cos 90 is 0. Cos 0 is 1. Cos 90 is 0. 0, 1, 0 is our answer, dear students. That is matching with our option A. A for awesome is our answer, dear students. I hope it is clear for everyone. So similarly, we will see that one more question, dear students. Please copy this one. Something similar question, dear students. Next also, you observe here. The direction cosines on z-axis is what? Now line is on what? Z-axis. And for others, how much it is? For x it is 90 degree. For y it is 90 degree. For z is what? How much it is making? 0 degree, dear students. Then cos 90, cos 90, cos 0. Everyone are understood this one. So cos 90 is 0, cos 90 is 0, cos 0 is 1. So 0, 0, 1 is our answer. That is there in B option, dear students. B for bingo. So I hope you are understanding this one. We'll go for the next question. Please copy this. Let us see the next question, dear students. Question is, the equation of x-axis is the equation of x-axis means So other values will be 0. That means except x, other values will be 0, dear students. We are learning 3D, dear students, remember. So x leaving other values are 0 means that is y is equal to 0 and z is equal to 0, dear students. So this is a B for bingo is our answer, dear students. Similarly, they may ask like this also. The equation of y-axis. Y-axis means what? Leaving y, what will happen? So other values will be 0. That means x is equal to 0 and z is equal to 0, dear students. Will you agree? Similarly, you see here x-axis means what? Leaving x, y and z are 0, no? These are the equations. Similarly, here y-axis means what? X is equal to 0 and z is equal to 0, dear students. So now let us see if it is asked as z-axis. Z-axis means what? That is y is equal to 0 and x is equal to 0. Will you agree? Or x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 0. However you write. For your extra knowledge purpose, I told this one. If they ask equation on y-axis means that time x and z will be 0. Equation on z-axis means x and y will be 0, dear students. Got it? I hope you have understood this one. We'll go for the next question. Please copy this. Let us see the next question, dear students. Question number 5. If L, M, N are the direction cosines of the line, then what is the relation between direction cosines they are asking, dear students? Indirectly. So everyone know this one, direction cosines relation. L, M, N are the direction cosines of the line will satisfy the condition L square plus M square plus N square is equal to 1, dear students. That is B for bingo is our answer, dear students. One more they may ask. L is nothing but what? Cos alpha. M is nothing but cos beta. N is nothing but what? Cos gamma. So then they may give like this also sometimes. You have to understand. Cos square alpha. L is cos alpha. L square means cos square alpha. M is cos beta. Then here M square means cos square beta plus cos square gamma is equal to 1. Both are same only, dear students. L is nothing but cos alpha, M is nothing but cos beta, N is nothing but cos gamma. Alpha, beta, gamma are directional angles. So cos alpha, cos beta, cos gamma are direction cosines. When you apply, no, see here, alpha, beta, gamma are nothing but directional angles. ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಏನಿದೆ directional angles ಇರುತ್ತೆ. When you apply cos for this, cos alpha, cos beta, cos gamma, then these will become direction cosines, dear students. Direction cosines. ಯಾವಾಗ cos ಅಸ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಈ alpha, beta, gamma ಗೆ ಅವಾಗ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ? Direction cosines ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? So this is the major difference you have to understand here. So this and this are both are same. Our answer is matching with B. B for bingo is our answer, dear students. So please copy this. We'll see the next question, dear students. Let us see the next question, dear students. Question number 6. If a line makes an angle of 90 degree, 135, 45 with x, y and z axis respectively, find the direction cosines, dear students. So in 4 options, which is the correct one? So see here, already we have seen the diagram also. So that is making with the angles. A line is making angle with the x axis, y axis, z axis. However, you can take x, y, z. How you want, you can take that. So x axis, how much it is making now? We'll think that is making it as a 90 degree, dear students. Actually, it is not in 90 degree. I know that, but still I am saying you. These are x axis. It is making alpha. You think alpha. Y axis how much? Beta. Z axis how much? It is gamma, dear students. So alpha, x axis means what? Alpha is given how much? Alpha is given as here how much? If a line makes angle how much? Alpha is 90 degree with x axis. Beta with y axis how much? Y axis respectively they are given. So 135. Gamma is how much? That is 45 degree. ಇದು alpha ಜ್ಯೋತಿ 90 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, x axis ಜ್ಯೋತಿ 90 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ, y axis ಜ್ಯೋತಿ 135, ಆಮೇಲೆ z axis ಜ್ಯೋತಿ 145 ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಈ ತರ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. x axis ಯಾವ್ದು ಮಾಡುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಆಲ್ಫಾ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಸೊ y axis ಜ್ಯೋತಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ಬೀಟಾ, z axis ಜೊತೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ gamma ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. This alpha beta gamma are directional angles. So if you apply cos for this, then it will become what? Direction cosines. ಈ alpha beta gamma ಕ್ಕೆ cos ಅನ್ನು ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ direction cosine ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. So let us apply cos for this. So cos alpha means cos 90, applying cos both sides. So cos 90 is how much? 0, dear students. So cos you apply for this also both. Cos beta, cos 135. 135 you can write it as like this. Cos 180 minus 45. 185 ನಾವು minus 45 ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 135 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So 180 minus 45 किए तो so 135 will get. Even you can write like this also, dear students. 135 you can write it as 90 plus 45. There are some students, they will say like this, sir, 90 plus 45, that will also give the same answer only, dear students. I am not saying it will give different answer. It is giving same only. So now see here, 180 minus theta means you know, after school to college we have discussed a lot in application of derivative also this. After school to college means, so now see 180 minus theta, 180 will come here. So 0, 90, 270 and this is 360 will get here. Correct? So 180 गिंता कमी अंदर एल बनता है याडे quadrant. 180 से कम मतलब second quadrant में आता है. So in that second quadrant cos is positive or negative? That is negative, dear students. Here sin cosec both are positive. Sin cosec are positive. Cos is negative. So that's why negative it will become. 180 means no change. No change means cos will remain cos only. How much theta is there? 45. So minus I will write as is cos 45 is how much? 1 by root 2. Cos 45 degree, which we have learned in 10th standard. I will not repeat that. So next apply for this also, cos gamma. So cos gamma is what? So cos 45 degree it will become, applying cos both sides. Cos 45 is how much? 1 by root 2. Then our option is matching with what? 0 minus 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2. Which option will matches? You observe here. Matching with our option 0 minus 1 by 2, 1 by root 2. That is matching with B for bingo. So bingo is our answer, dear students. I hope it is clear, everyone. So please copy this. We will see the next question. Let us see the next question, dear students. Question number 7. If a line makes an angle alpha, beta, gamma with the positive direction of the coordinate axis, then cos 2 alpha, cos 2 beta, cos 2 gamma. Axis AX, ES also sometimes they will give. Here they are given IS. So it doesn't matter, dear students, how you want you can take it. So for us, for time being, we don't matter about that, because we know that alpha, beta, gamma are nothing but x-axis, y-axis and z-axis. Everyone know this. No need of thinking and talking about more in the video, dear students. So now see here. So AX, ES or AX, IS, how you want you can take. So alpha, beta, gamma are making what? Here, these are the what? Directional angles, dear students. So then direction cosines are what? Cos alpha, cos beta, cos gamma. So they are having a relationship between them. Relationship between direction cosines is what? That is cos square alpha plus, we know this one, we know this, we know that. What we know? Cos square alpha, cos square beta, cos square gamma is equal to 1, dear students. We know this. I am saying this is known for us. Will you agree? Everyone know this one now. Just I discussed. So now see here, I have to find this one. What I have to find? Cos 2 alpha, cos 2 beta, cos 2 gamma. So is what they are asking the question. But dear students, cos 2x, we have a formula. Cos 2x, what we are having a formula, dear students? So we have a 2 cos square x minus 1. We have a formula, this one. Can you remember in ITF we have done this? Or even in trigonometry, in ITF we have used trigonometry. It is proved in first year. Everyone know this. If you don't know, no problem. You can copy this. Cos 2x is what? 2 cos square x minus 1. we have a formula this. So now cos 2 alpha in place of x, what it is here? Alpha. See here, this and this both are looking same. So cos 2 alpha, cos 2x, both are same. Then I can apply it as what? In just x place, alpha is there. Same means it is looking like same, but in alpha place it is x is there. So now you can apply the formula what? 2 cos square alpha minus 1 I can write. Similarly cos 2 beta also 2 cos square beta minus 1, and next is 2 cos square gamma minus 1. All will agree this. See, so 2 cos square alpha, 2 cos square beta, 2 cos square gamma, I had made one side. Minus 1, minus 1, minus 1. If you add them, it will become minus 3. So what is common, dear students, in this? 2 is common. 2 if you take common, what you are left with? Cos square alpha, cos square beta, cos square gamma, dear students. And minus 1 is minus 3 is written as it is. So only 2 is common in this 3. So that's why 2 is taken common. So cos square alpha, cos square beta, cos square gamma is how much? Just we have written here above. We know that we have told no. So what that value is 1. So 2 into 1 minus 3. 2 1 ja 2. 2 minus 3 is how much? Minus 1 is our answer, dear students. So that is matching with the D, dear students. D for Delhi. Delhi is our answer. I hope it is clear. So if you are understanding anything from this video, please like my channel and subscribe those who are not subscribed yet. Fine. So please copy this. We'll see the next question. Let us see the next question, dear students. Question number 8. If a line makes an angle alpha, beta, gamma with the positive direction of the coordinate axis, then sin square alpha plus sin square beta sin square gamma is what? Very simple question, dear students. Again we know that. What we know? Cos square alpha plus cos square beta plus cos square gamma is equal to what? 1, dear students. This is known for everyone. So I have to find here what? Sin square alpha, sin square beta, sin square gamma. Dear students, everyone know this one. Sin square x plus cos square x is how much? 1. So then cos square x is how much? 1 minus sin square x I can write. So plus sin square x, if I take on RHS, it will become minus sin square x, dear students. So cos square x is nothing but 1 minus sin square x. Now you see here. So similarly cos square alpha, what I can write? 1 minus sin square alpha I can write. So is equal to cos square beta 1 minus sin square beta, and cos square gamma 1 minus sin square gamma is equal to 1, dear students. So 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 1 3, dear students. So what is left now? Minus sin square alpha minus sin square beta minus sin square gamma is equal to 1. So 3 I will write as is plus 3. Plus 1 if you take this side, it will become minus 1, dear students. So now see, minus sin square alpha you take that side, it will become plus sin square alpha. Minus sin square beta also you take that side, it will become plus sin square beta. Minus sin square gamma also you take on RHS, it will become plus sin square gamma. So 3 minus 1 is how much? 2. 2 is equal to sin square alpha plus sin square beta plus sin square gamma. So this is our required answer. Can you see here? Sin square alpha plus sin square beta plus sin square gamma is equal to how much? 2. 2 is our answer, dear students. That is A option. A for awesome is our answer. I hope you have understood this one. Please copy this. We'll see the next question. And even if you have liked my channel, I think, don't forget, please like the button. Please copy this. Let us see the next question, dear students. Question number 9. A line makes equal angles with coordinate axis. Then direction cosines of the lines are. So here that clearly mentioned, dear students. Clearly they are saying I mean line is making what? Equal angles with what? All the axes, dear students, coordinate axes. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಲೈನ್ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಲೈನ್ ಅದು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ಲೈನ್ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಆಂಗಲ್ಸ್ ಏನಿದೆಲ್ಲ ಅದದ್ದು ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೋಆರ್ಡಿನೇಟ್ ಆಕ್ಸೆಸ್ಗೆ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆಂಗಲ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಅಲ್ತಾ ಏನು? ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ ದಟ್ ಸೇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆಂಗಲ್ಸ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್? ಸೊ ಆಲ್ಫಾ ಬೀಟಾ ಗಾಮಾ ಆರ್ ವಾಟ್? Equal they are saying, dear students. So equal angles means what? They are alpha, beta, gamma are all the directional angles are equal, dear students. That meaning says. So the line makes equal angles to coordinate axis means these are equal. And we know, dear students, we know what? What we know? Just I discussed. Don't forget. Cos square alpha, cos square beta, cos square gamma is equal to 1, dear students. So alpha, beta, gamma are same means. So cos square alpha, cos square beta also I can write it as alpha. Beta nu na alpha ant baribodu yakandre eradu equal ide. So even gamma is also I can write it as alpha. Alpha and gamma are both are same only, same angles. So now cos square alpha plus cos square alpha is 3 cos square alpha is equal to 1, dear students. So 3 you take down, cos square alpha is equal to 1 by 3, square you send that side, plus or minus square root 1 by 3, dear students. Square I send this side, plus or minus square root 1 by 3. So cos alpha is how much now? Plus or minus root 1 is 1 and root 3. Root belongs to both, no? Root 1 is 1, root 3 is root 3. Cos alpha is plus or minus 1 by root 3 means even cos beta is also same only, dear students. Cos beta and cos gamma are also same. Why? Because their angles are same. ಯಾಕೆ ಇವು ಎರಡು ಸೇಮ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅವತರ ಆಂಗಲ್ಸ್ ಏನಿದೆ, ಇದು cos 45 ಇದ್ರೆ ಇದು 45 ನೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಅಥವಾ ಇದೇನೋ ಒಂದು ಆಂಗಲ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊರಿ 75 whatever it is, same only will get, no all, because all the angles are same means this is giving this much means same answer only cos beta and cos gamma will give dear students. Therefore then you can write it as direction cosines are, DC means the direction cosines are. So plus or minus outside you can take 1 by root 3, 1 by root 3, 1 by root 3 is our answer, dear students. So that is matching with the option B, dear students. B for bingo is our answer. I hope it is clear everyone. So please copy this. We will see the next question, dear students. We will see the next question, dear students. Please see here what they had asked. If a line makes pi by 2, 3 pi by 4, pi by 4 with x, y and z axis respectively. So then find its direction cosines are. If a line makes angles, most probably it may be we'll check, dear student. No, directly they are given like that. Actually it's must be angles, I feel. So sometimes questions may give like this. If a line makes an angle how much? 90 degree, 135 it is. 3 pi by 4 means 135, pi by 4 means that is 45 degree, dear students. So they are given like this angles, dear students. Observe here. So with x axis how much it is making? Pi by 2. Pi by 2 is nothing but, dear students, 90 degree I can say. So beta is how much? That is the angle with y axis is 3 pi by 4. 3 pi by 4 is 135 degree, dear students. And gamma is given as pi by 4. Gamma is they are given 45 degree, dear students. Pi by 4 means 45. So I have to find here direction cosines. So then apply cos for this. Cos alpha is how much? Cos 90. Cos 90 is 0. I think we have done just now problem similarly. 6th or something it is there, I will say. 6th question it is matching, dear students. 6th question same to same we have done. Just they are given in radian here. They are given in degrees in 6th question. So now see here. Cos beta is what? 135. It is cos 135. How we can write? So cos 180 wait, dear students, cos 180 minus 45. So then I can write it as what? Minus cos 45 I will not explain you, dear student. I am sorry for this because already I had explained this how it will become minus cos 45 degree, dear students. Go through sixth question in this video only. I am saying, not for other videos. So it is there in this video. Please go through that. Cos gamma is what? Cos gamma is given as 45 degree. 45 degree. Cos 45 is how much? 1 by root 2. So therefore direction cosines are cos alpha, cos beta, cos gamma are only direction cosines. Cos alpha is 0, cos beta is minus 1 by root 2 and cos gamma is 1 by root 2. So this is the required answer that is matching with the option. Option A is correct. So A for awesome is our answer, dear students. I hope you are understanding something from this video. So if you are understanding something from this video, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪನಾದರೂ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ लाइक ಮಾಡಿ, सब्सक्राइब ಮಾಡಿ and share to your friends also, dear students. थोड़ा तो आपको समझ में आया तो प्लीज लाइक करो, शेयर करो और सब्सक्राइब भी करो. सो विल मीट यू इन माय नेक्स्ट क्लास. तब तक लगे रहो मैथ्स के साथ. थैंक यू डियर स्टूडेंट्स. प्लीज कॉपी दिस.